I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna paint the roof on a whim today. It just feels right. Another thing I'm not sure about is the cab. You remember I painted it gray. With all the other black stuff that I've been painting, I've just been getting a lot of overspray on that side. And so I think I am just gonna paint it black. Just keep it uniform. I think in the end it'll look better. And another thing I'm considering is not just painting it black, but going over it with a specific stove paint. And this is paint that could withstand like 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. And so I think because the stove will be up front over there, it might be nice to treat that part with something that can withstand high heat. So the gray was a good idea, or so I thought. And then I decided to go black, and that basically explains what you're seeing here and now.